everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to test out dollar nail products. These products are from Dollar Tree and shopmissa.com, all $1. Let's jump right in. First off, we're going to jump right into the Sassy and Chic Soak Off Nail Caps. These are $1 at Dollar Tree. You get 5 of these in a pack. The directions are pretty simple. They're 100% silicone, and the acetone and the cotton balls are not included, but I love that these are safe to use with acetone. I cannot tell you guys, these are so incredibly soft. That silicone is very flexible. I actually thought these were going to be hard caps because I didn't really read the packaging. And this is the Sassy Chic nail polish remover in their pump bottle. Extra strength, it's 100% acetone, and I'm going to be using that with some cotton balls and these soak off caps. Now these are very easy to use. They are reusable, you guys, so you just place a cotton ball inside them and then slide it onto your finger, and you are supposed to wait 3 to 5 minutes. I thought this would be a good time to test this product out because I'm wearing 4 coats of a flaky nail polish, so in the lines of a glitter nail polish. And here we are waiting 3 to 5 minutes. While we're waiting our 3 to 5 minutes, let's talk about the nail polish remover for a moment. This is a pump bottle. You get 6 fluid ounces from, and this is from the Dollar Tree for $1, 100% acetone. Once again, pump bottle with a locking action, and it has a snapback lid. Now, what I'm demonstrating here is the downside to this bottle. When using this to use, just press it in with a brush to get some on your brush to clean your cuticles up, it spits out. So you're going to have to be aware of that. Acetone literally spits out of the bottle, so whatever around it, surrounding it, and it touches, being plastic or whatever, say you have your jelly stamper next to it, it's ruined. So keep that in mind. Back to the soak off caps real quick. I'm just pulling them off, and look, the nail is literally clean, just in the sides of the cuticles. I'm going to take one of those saturated cotton balls there, and I wondered if it would be easier to place the cotton ball on your nail and slip the cap on. Not really, just put the cotton ball in the cap. I was trying it 2 different ways, and I took the remaining of a cotton ball, the soak off caps, and I finished up my cuticle area. Now I really do like these little soak off caps. They worked great. I love that they're super flexible too, and they're labeled. There's a large one for your thumb, and there's the small ones are for the rest of your fingers. Get 2 packs if you don't want to do 2 hands separately, but overall great product. Moving on to the Nourishing Nail Mask from Burial. This was $1 from Shop Miss A. You get 10 fingernail masks in this pack. This includes 10 individual nail masks, assorted sizes also, and the directions basically are: start with dry clean hands and wait 30 to 60 minutes on your nails after putting these on your nails. It's a bit of an inconvenience, I will say, because you can't really do anything with your hands in that time, and I have a small child, so that was a bit of an inconvenience. So if I ever purchase these again, they will definitely be worn after bedtime. There is a strong perfumey scent to these. It did have some kind of nourishing oil product in there for the nails. It wasn't super saturated in the mask. I thought it was going to be like some kind of formula like the face mask, really saturated and stuff. I did wait 30 minutes, you guys, on these. That's about as much time as I could give it because I was trying to film this in the middle of the day. Cuticles and then my nails did feel nice and moisturized after using these, and it does leave a perfume scent behind on the nails even after washing your hands. So it was pretty loud scent, so if you're not a fan of that, you might not like that. But nourishing on the nails, it wasn't super saturated with product, so I was a little bit disappointed in this product, to be honest. I mean, I would purchase a different variation of this in the future. I don't think that it was a bad product. It's just a bit of an inconvenient product because of the wait time and the perfumey smell. Back to the pump bottle here on final thoughts. The downside to using acetone is that it really dries your cuticles out. It literally sucks the life out of them. So make sure you're using cuticle oils on your cuticles and nails after using acetone. to liven them back up. The acetone remover, of course, has a strong scent, but it works perfectly for removing glitter very quickly. If you use and switched over to acetone, you know that it works. Now, as for the soaking off nail caps, final kind of thoughts, I thought these were fantastic as well. Great for soaking away difficult polish, and they're easy to clean. You just wash them out with soap and water, let them dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo and review of testing dollar nail products out. Maybe you'll try some of them out for yourself. Check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. I hope you all are having a blessed day today, and thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews, demos, and testing products out.